This is Sir Isaac Newton. He was born on January 4th, 1643 in England. He was a physicist, mathematician, astronomer, theologian, and author. He was known for developing calculus, which is used in many aspects of science, engineering, and mathematics, the 3 laws of motion, the law of universal gravitation, and the laws of optics. The 3 laws of motion includes the first law: everybody remains at rest or uniform motion unless acted by an external force. The second law: acceleration depends on acting force and mass of an object. And the third law: for every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. The law of universal gravitation explains that any particle of matter in the universe attracts any other with a force varying directly as the product of the masses and inversely as the square of the distance between them. And the laws of optics, which shows the composition of white light, which is composed of colors.